Amy asks, I think you read my mind. My 2 and 4-year-olds used to love all foods, fruits and veggies, and recently have gotten more picky. I was wondering if I should give them a pouch a day to get some nutrition in. But as you said, I don't want to indulge in the convenience and not offer whole foods. I have to say, Amy, that for some of my kids that are lower in weight, I do try to find some boosters to get their calories back up. And I'll post that video for you right here once I have this uploaded to YouTube. But here's a tip for you. If you do want to use a pouch, I really want to recommend that you get one like this new brand, Once Upon a Farm. This is Jennifer Garner's new brand, and I'm a big fan of hers. So I have to say, I was really impressed when I was reading the ingredients. It's a little bit hard to see on my screen. I'm going to try to get it closer for you. But look, it says green kale and apples. Excuse me. And right beneath there, it says half of an apple, quarter of a banana, half a cup of kale, and a half a teaspoon of hemp seeds. So full disclosure, right? Not a lot of applesauce in there, reasonable amount, but a lot of the good stuff like the kale. That's what you're looking for. Just because it says kale and apples doesn't mean it has more kale than apples. You have to turn it around and take a look at the nutrition on the back, or in this particular brand, they put it right on the front, which is one of the reasons I love it so much. So if I am going to use a pouch, this is the one I recommend. Another hint for you, Amy, is if you want to boost their calories a little bit, just get some of those inexpensive syringes that you can get at the drugstore. You don't need needles or anything like that. Get some little syringes and just take some liquid coconut oil, and you can squirt those right into the pouch and then just give it a little squeeze to mix it up, or you can use some other sort of healthy oil like avocado oil, and that'll boost the calories as well, plus give the kids some really important fats that they need too. So hopefully that gives you a few ideas.